Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are still in Mexico City and this is the Zocalo, aka the main plaza, the main square in Mexico City, where you'll find the National Palace, the Metropolitan Cathedral, and lots of pre-colonial buildings that go way back to the Aztec. This is the day after the Day of the Dead, and so it's still decorated for the festivities. This flag is massive. It is humongous. That is the cathedral that you are looking at right there. And then there are some government buildings over on the right side, and this here is the an art museum, if I'm not mistaken. There's a restaurant up there somewhere too. It is just grand and fantastic, and I was amazed at all the colonial buildings. So right here in the Zocalo, as I said, there were still remnants of the Day of the Dead festivities, like this horseman there. Yeah, we soon get a closer look at him. I'm just giving you like a view. This is a Sunday, by the way, so you can see that everybody is out and about enjoying the time. Here we go. What's she selling? That shoe shining was a lost art. I've seen quite a few shoe shiners here. So we left out of the plaza to grab a bite to eat. We'll be back there in a second, but I needed food, so I stopped here to get some tacos, and they were delicious. So from the square and this lovely gigantic horseman, we walked out to some of the side streets where Christmas had already exploded all over this artisanal market here. It was tight, it was cramped. Munchkin was starting to get a headache, so we started to make our way out of the main streets here. So something to consider when you're coming to Mexico City. Give yourself some time to get acclimated to the altitude, because coming in this kind of crowd, I mean, I thought we had enough time, but maybe she wasn't drinking enough water. I don't know what it was, but me nobody did like the crowd neither, so I was all for it. I was ready to go home. So here's just a little bit more of the scenery before we make our way home.
Were built by Porfirio Diaz to commemorate our first 100 years of independence. They start the recuperation of the pyramids of Teotihuacan. Now,
this is the little small island girl in me amazed at this skyscraper with what seems to be like a hole in the middle. Like, make it make sense to me. Anyways, this is the next day after. Now we are headed to the Chapultepec Park, which I'm gonna call Mexico City's Central Park. Let's get into it. Hola! It is the day before we leave. Oh, noise in the background. That's the noise that you want. Yeah. It's the day before we leave Mexico City. We are in the Chapultepec Park. I love that they have these massive parks as like golden oases, is that a thing? In the middle of Brick City. Let's have a look at the map, the park map. So there are quite a few things. There are 18 museums and places of interest. Is that what that says? We're gonna go with that. Plus parks, gardens, and monuments. So let's see if we can find a monument or two. It says there's free Wi-Fi, Marley. Why don't you try to connect? And there's a zoo in here somewhere. And over here still looks very woody. There's a what? A pool in Mexico City. You see me have my sweater, right? All right, let's see what we're coming up on here after this very woody section. I see a bunch of stalls. So shopping and street food is my guess. Oh, people actually drive through here. So maybe I shouldn't be in the middle of the road, huh? And I gotta alter that way.
Que te damos, hay papitas, hay chicharrones, frituras, coca, electrolite, le damos
You know, see if you find Wi-Fi. Let's go over into the woods. Ooh, what is that?
It's the bus, isn't it? Oh, look, it's pretty hot.
Let's not start that.
Let's get cotton candy.
Oh, there's a monument right there. Which way to go? Which way to go?
The way of the cotton candy.
Girl, cotton candy. That's not a portrait. That's a caricature. You're gonna make me look. Ooh, tattoos. Mm-hmm. That's shiny object syndrome.
It's a bunch of holes.
It's a bunch of what?
Holes.
A bunch of what?
Holes.
Oh, holes. Shusha. Not
Candy.
Not a lost art in Mexico. Girl, bye.
Look good. Smell good too.
Smells like cotton candy.
Yeah, exactly.
Zapatos. 100% Mexicanos. And one big monument. Let's go in front of it. The Museum of Modern Art is in there. Shall we go inside? Huh?
Don't you gotta pay?
I'm too near. Let me back it up. There you go. I'm still too near for y'all to appreciate how big this is. And how big is not the word I want. How... Wow. I mean, bless you. How spectacular this monument actually is. Wow. A los defensores de la patria.
I want my horse on this material.
What material is it?
Marble.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then from this angle, I mean, past all the construction and everything, you can see El Ángel de la Independencia way down there. And I think that is so cool.
Why are they playing volleyball? I'm sorry.
Girl, bye. Do you see the monument right there, guys? The golden angel on top of the... They'll get it! They'll get it! Squirrels are running around in the park. Foraging for food. There's another one over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. He's climbing the tree.
No, it's not.
Or they're climbing the tree. Let's not
Oh, look, it's a
misgender.
beard.
What? Oh, is this another museo? Museo de Sitio. What sitio? This is so lovely.
Who, me?
Girl, bye. That they have these spaces in the middle of the city that you can really come and just chill out.
Why we gotta enter through thing for the bathroom?
You gotta pay for the bathroom. You have to keep it clean.
What the heck?
Mm-hmm. At least, yeah, that's what I'm assuming. Yeah, costo 5 pesos. That's not bad. Huh?
What if I need to pee really bad and I have to take out my wallet? I'm searching. I'm searching, right? I'm still searching. Then I just...
Yeah. Okay. Now, what is that building over there?
Oh, look, a water fountain.
Where? Oh, these. Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew. He got his own water.
Is that another monument up top? Let's go see. Go, Marley.
Stop turning the camera to me every time I do something.
Right.
The water is green.
You're our entertainment.
The water is green.
Well, my dear, I don't think it's a pool, you know? Look, she's got her laptop, sitting under the trees.
They're probably coming to study for college.
Maybe. Here's what's coming up still in this park. Ooh, there's another monument this way too. The zoo, the botanical garden.
You need a bike to venture this park.
True, true, true. This is a good way to see the park. Ima video, Mia video, Ima video, Mia video, Ima. Keep the place clean. Trash cans all.
No.
Oh, there's a museum up there. So
Absolutely not.
oh, you reach up there, so.
I don't think it's a museum.
Is that what?
Building.
Oh, they're like,
Oh, look, there's a path
and there are people up there.
taking up the branches.
Oh. Come to find out, it's a whole castle. We should have figured out how to get up there. Look at this. It's spectacular. Ooh. Someone's buried here.
Oh.
More waterfalls.
That's where they would fight back in the days with the sticks. And then like each side it had to get. And then they let open the person. And then they had die. Right?
Are you sure about that?
What's it called? An arena. That's what it is. It's an arena.
Oh. Okay, well, let's go see if you're right.
Sounds good so far.
Teatro de Operaciones del Pacífico.
Basically an arena.
Are you sure?
Right here.
You pick out one word will look like the word arena. It is a teatro
No.
for performances.
Monumental de las Aguilas Caiceada, Aniversario de la Fuerza Ariana.
Ariana? Girl, what?
Oh,
Me neither. There's a bunch of names. It's definitely a monument to...
it's an arena.
Okay, ciao. We'll take your word for it. All right, you're gonna down this arena hill. What's in here? We're going deeper into the woods.
I think this is just a chilling spot. Oh no, this is the audio line.
Okay, shh. Look at the size of this tree trunk, y'all. Damn. They chopped it up. Look, a little school's learning all about everything in the park. They're so cute. There's another school over there. Let me see if I can capture some of them. There they go. Oh, they're running to the bathroom.
I remember when we used to do that.
This must be such a cool field trip place. And then all the shops again. Are these food shops? I don't think all of them are food shops. I see. You don't see any food. I see some snacks like right there. But I see art and jewel and stuff. This has been a really... You and this damn cotton candy. You're coming like a little picnic then.
I'm on this picnic.
Let us document that. She just admitted she is a little picnic. So when me rinse it back pan her, I whoa. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog here, but this has been an amazing time in the park, Chapultepec. We took an Uber back home, and I remembered, or well, I saw that the food stalls that line the street that our Airbnb is on. They were still there, so I decided to get a few snacks to go up. But remember, oh, these are chicken tinga. What are these? I don't know, empanadas? Maybe. So that's what I got. There are quite a few options here, tacos, esquites, anything you want for like 20 pesos. You put your toppings on it here. Good eats for cheap in the streets of Mexico City. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed as a look into the Frida Kahlo Museum and the streets of Coyoacan is coming up next. See you soon.